Attention online sellers. The rules of selling online in 2026 changed. If you sell anything online, courses, software, coaching, services, subscriptions, this is important. The old internet playbook is fading. With rising ad costs, dwindling attention spans, and increasing refunds and churn rates, simply driving more traffic is no longer a viable solution. The businesses that are thriving today have shifted their focus to building robust revenue systems. Key strategies include smarter checkout and billing flows, effective customer onboarding, sustainable recurring revenue, scalable affiliate partnerships, protecting revenue instead of just replacing it. To help you navigate this new terrain, I highly recommend joining the free multi-day workshop series. The new rules to selling online in 2026, hosted by the PayKickstart team, what you'll gain, practical insights into what's working now, real-world strategies from fast-growing digital businesses, a comprehensive understanding of modern sales engines. Don't miss out! One free registration grants you access to the entire series, including live sessions and replays. Hit the link below now to register for free.